Raybestos-Manhattan, originally named the A.H. Raymond Company when it was founded in 1902, was primarily a brake manufacturing company. It changed its name to Raybestos around 1916, presumably to reflect its use of a certain dangerous mineral in some of its products, like brake lining, gasket, and valves. Then, Raybestos-Manhattan Friction Materials Company was formed in 1929 when Raybestos merged with the Manhattan Rubber Manufacturing Company. To make it easy, we'll call them RM. RM has an infamous reputation as one of the asbestos companies involved in the cover-up of knowledge regarding the dangers of exposure as early as the 1930s. The company manufactured over 20 types of products that contained asbestos, ranging from automotive and aircraft component parts to aprons and rope. A variety of occupations would have been at risk of developing asbestos-related diseases due to exposure to RM products, including mechanics, insulators, refinery and factory workers, and boiler makers. Raymond Corporation and Raytech Corporation were subsidiary companies formed by RM as it struggled with expensive asbestos litigation. Each filed bankruptcy petitions in 1989, with Raymond filing for Chapter 7 and Raytech filing for Chapter 11. After Raytech filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, it took the next 11 years for the reorganization process to be completed and for a trust to be formed. Finally, in 2001, Raytech Corporation created the Raytech Trust under its Chapter 11 plan of reorganization. The current payment percentage is 0.92%. According to the 2022 annual financial report filed by the trust, it paid $1.2 million in settlement of claims and received 3,776 newly filed claims. Since the trust was established, it has paid out 154,000 claims totaling roughly $35 million. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.